Galing!
The pictures in my mind, and every time I smile, the only reason is you. When I see the stars are shining, and the happy face you're making, all I ever think about is you.
Eh, eh.
The world just stops turning, and it's you that I've been searching. All I want to be is next to you. All I need is you.
Galing!
When I see the smiles you're making in the pictures we've been taking, every day is heaven beside you. When the street is filled with bright lights and I'm walking below the night sky, all I want to be is next to you. When I see the stars are shining and the happy face you're making, all I ever think about is you.
Galing! Thank you, Karil, for the power hugs.
Turning, and it's you that
Nakirinig nyo clearly?
all I want to be is next to you. All I need is you.
Uy, Kazuki, thank you so much for the message. Grabe! Thank you po! Thank you, Mox. Uy, team, ano mo na to, pang Spotify. Galing!
Happy birthday, Doxy! We are 2911.
So ayun, Doc, maraming salamat sa pagpapasaya mo sa amin, Doc, and then sana dumami pa yung mga followers mo.
So this time, i-invite ko yung bandmates namin para magbuo ng kanta. This is our first original composition as a band. And yun nga, we dedicate this song to you.
Oh, may ano na.
Sana mas marami ka pang mapasaya, mas marami ka pang maging followers, and at the same time, mas marami ka pang ma-inspire. And yun nga, mas marami ka pang mapangiti. So ayun, again, happy birthday, Doxy.
Thank you, Tim and Riri, and 2911.
Happy birthday, Doc!
Aba!
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday.
Isaw naman at saka Joan, nagsama pa kayo. Teka lang, natatawa ako. Kala ko may isasabihin sila napakarami. Ayun na yun. Happy birthday. Uy, Kazuki, salamat sa birthday classes. Teka lang. Mutik ka. Alam mo, naghahanda na ako. Pero nagsama sila. Ba't mo naman pinagsama sila sa isang video? Ha, bebe, ame? Mutik na yan. O si Ayla. Kala ko ano na to.
I miss you.
Hello, Ayla. Thank you.
Happy birthday to
Sige, Robby.
you, Doxify. Happy birthday to you,
Wait, cheer.
Doxify. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Doxify.
Happy birthday to you, Doxify. Happy birthday po, Doc. Thank you for always putting a smile on our faces.
Ay,
And
iba.
lagi po kayong nandito sa aking puso at isipan. Kahit na hindi po ako
Hi,
masyadong
Nati.
nakakatambay gawa ng ako po ay nasa OJT.
Oh, I miss you,
Gusto ko pang sabihin
Karobi.
na kayo po ay isa sa aking inspirasyon na mag-fight araw-araw. Ingat po kayo lagi, more birthdays to come, and see you po next year.
Thank you, Karobi.
Hi, Doc. Happy
Hi,
birthday
Ira.
po.
Thank
I just wanna
you.
say po na you deserve every good things this world could offer po. Lahat po ng blessings nyo na-receive at natatanggap ngayon deserve ng sobra-sobra. Happy birthday ulit, Doc. This is, nga pa pala, Ira, aka Tyrant the Frost.
Ay, siya pala
Happy
yun.
birthday po, Doc. Wish you all
Si
the
Jaru,
best.
oh.
God bless. And enjoy your day po, Doc.
Pastor.
Happy birthday.
Pastor yan. Ay,
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. More blessings and good health to
Luisa.
come. And enjoy your day and
Ingat ka lagi.
Thank you.
Hi, Doc. Happy 19th
Impostor pa.
birthday po.
Impostor.
Thank you
Si
for
Sia.
always making us happy every day. Always remember po na nandito yung katid to
Ito.
support you and to see you reach
Sia,
all of
thank you
your
for the
goals
wish
in
ka,
life.
Bear.
Minsan papagod ka sa araw na yun, but lagi mo kong pinipili mag-stream para magbigay
Oo
ng
naman, Sia.
taong nasa paligid mo.
Oo,
We are
oo.
always proud of you po, Doc.
Thank you,
I hope you
Sia.
enjoy your special day po. We love you. Happy birthday, Doc.
Thank you.
Hello po, Doc. Happy
Ay, si Jason.
birthday. I just want to thank you because for most of us, your supporters made you an inspiration and motivation. I also want to thank you because you always put a smile on our faces. Ngayon pong birthday mo, hayaan mo kami naman pong mga supporters mo ang magbigay ng ngiti sa'yo. I just want also to let you
Yes.
know na nandito lang po kaming mga supporters mo to support and protect you at all costs.
Thank
God
you.
bless Pudok and more power to you and to your family. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Jerson.
Hi, Doc Sipay! Happy birthday!
With full of
And
energy.
mga ikaw, Charot.
Ah.
And always lang kami nandito ng mga katid mo, lagi para sa'yo. And keep safe always and more birthday to come. And God bless you more and miss
Jenny,
you
ah.
and love you. Enjoy your day!
Thank you. Ay, Julie.
First of all, gusto ko lang muna
First of
magpasalamat sa'yo.
all.
Dahil nakagayos ako ng sarili ko at the middle of the night para lang makapag-video greet sa'yo. Ayos na to, Doc. Mukha lang hindi. Char. Kidding aside, I just wanted to
Para
greet you a
manununtok
happy
si Yuli.
birthday. More blessings to come. Wishing you all the best and may you enjoy your day. You know naman po na Katid Fam will always be here to support you. And thank you po for always putting smile on our faces every day. We love you, Doc, and
Love you,
again,
Yuli.
happy 30th birthday. I mean, happy 29th birthday po, sir. Love you, Doc. Hope to see you soon again. Bye!
안녕하세요, Doc Ipay. Stream, Chares.
Anong nga sa'yo, Doc, if ayayayaya. Kala ko naman kung Korean talaga yung sinasabi. Di paklong na to, si Eya.
Happy birthday po, Doc. More candles and blessings to come po. And hindi na rin po kita i-age reveal kahit na magta-30 ka na next year. Ayun po, I wish you nothing but the second treat. I wish you but a Merry Christmas. Ayun po, Doc. Thank you for always putting a smile on our faces every day and we're so proud of you po. Uy, nanay yun. Ayan, lagi
Huy!
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday po.
Iba si
sorry, di po
Eyo.
masyado nakakadaan sa mga
Okay lang
lives.
yun,
Sobrang
be.
busy po talaga.
Ay,
Pero
okay lang.
babawi po ako sa inyo, ni Goody. And please know that I'm always here to support you both.
Hi, Doxy. Again, this is Mark Joseph. Mas kilala mo as Adobo
Thank you,
ng
Eya.
KTC and Katid Fam.
Dalawang Eya.
Wishing you a happy birthday. Wala naman kaming ibang hiling sa'yo, but of course, happiness sa'yo, sa family mo, and sa friends mo na din, and of course, good health.
Napilitan si Mark sa pati sa friends mo na din, sabi niya.
Magustuhan mo yung gift ko sa'yo. Sana magamit mo yan, hindi lang sa
Saan?
of course, partner.
Asan yung gift mo, Mark? Sabi mo sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko sa'yo. Saan? Saan? Wala. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Travel kayo ni Goody. Just letting you know,
Uy,
or
Leona,
keep
thank you for the
supporting
birthday
you.
glasses.
Proud kami sa'yo sa mga achievements mo and even endorsements. So, yun lang. Hanggang susunod na
Kala ko ba yun lang? Bakit may sinasabi ka pa, Mark Joseph? Ay, joke lang. Thank you so much.
pagbasa ng eardrums ko and of course, pagbibilang ko ng nababasag mo na tempered glass sa iPad. Yun lang. Happy birthday. See you
Thank
soon.
you, Mark.
Happy birthday po, Doc. May
Eh, si Bagso.
blessed, love, and care.
Eh, ang ganda ng gawa
Birthday
niyo.
po.
Hello, Doc.
Uy, Drew!
Po sa inyo and thank you for putting a smile on our face every day and
Aba,
to see you.
ginagamit niyo yung mga ano ko, ah.
Peace out.
Parang sabihin si mo. Stan.
Una sa lahat, thank you kasi isa ka sa mga naging happy ko for the past year. And
Thank you,
gusto ko na
Welcome,
kahit
be.
isang beses pa lang tayo nag-meet in person, alam ko natandaan mo pa rin ako. Siguro natatandaan mo ako dahil sa
Ay, hindi ka na natatandaan. Ang feeler mo, Mocha.
BDM discussion, and I think naging sobrang worth it naman yon dahil sa pagiging bida-bida ko, kilala mo pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Wala na akong ibang may hiling pa sa'yo, syempre kundi good health,
Sabi ko sa inyo, marami to sasabihin,
more
guys.
projects to come, more endorsements, more blessings to
Thank
come.
you, Mocha.
Happy birthday, Doc. Palagi mong tatandaan na andito lang kami na mga supporters mo para sa'yo. Handa ka naming supportahan sa lahat ng mga gusto mong gawin or sa lahat ng mga projects na darating para sa'yo. So, keep doing what you're doing. Lagi mo kaming napapasaya. Mahal na mahal ka namin lahat.
Thank you.
Hi Doc, it's Rocky. Happy birthday sa'yo. Gusto ko lang i-wish all the success at everything you do. Good health and more
Good health.
birthdays to come. And I wish
Thank you,
you
Rocky.
the best on your birthday. Ano pa ba? May gift ako sa'yo Doc. Sana magustuhan mo.
Nasaan?
Okay? Yun lang. Mag-iingat ka parati and hope to see you soon again. Okay? Ingat.
Hi, Doc.
Hi, Eugene.
Hindi na po palagi nakakatambay na ng matagal sa streams mo. But I hope you know that palagi lang po nakasupport sa inyo ni Happy birthday again.
Thank you, Eugene.
May God bless you more. Ingat lagi, Doc. Hi, Doc. Una sa lahat gusto kita maging happy.
Nagpakulay si Christine.
Dahil birthday mo ngayon, nagkaroon ako ng rason para maligo. Maraming salamat, Docs. Joke lang. Congrats sa 900k followers sa Facebook. For sure, sa mga susunod na buwan, sa namin pa yan. Road to 1M. Gusto ko na sabihin na sobrang proud kami sa lahat ng na-achieve mo and sa mga ma-achieve
Alam niyo, Lord, thank you so much. Nagka-birthday ako. Nakaligo si Christine po. Thank you, Lord.
mo pa lang. Proud na kami agad sa'yo. Kasi sobrang deserve mo lahat ng blessings na natatanggap. Dahil kita namin kung gaano ka dedicated and kung gaano mo kamahal yung ginagawa. Thank you for always putting my in our faces. Katulad ng lalo yung sinasabi. Isang lahat ng blessings ka para sa amin. Ayun. Nandito lang kami palagi para sumuporta sa iyo. And ayun, sa akin kasi hindi na ako nakakapagdala. Kaya,
Bakit, Christine?
sa Facebook. Ayun, dito lang kami palagi para sa iyo. Susuporta sa lahat ng mga ginagawa. Ayun, happy birthday, Doc. Sana mas marami pang blessings yung matanggap mo. And ayun, God bless you.
Thank you, Christine.
Hi Doc! Happy birthday
Hi,
po.
Steph.
I hope you're enjoying your day so far. Please know that we're one of the happiest
Zach.
whenever you're getting your new projects and hoping for more to come. I always pray for your good health and please know that we're always here to support you and good you. And we love you. Happy birthday again.
Uy, ang sophisticated. Love you. Thank you so much, Tav.
Hello, Doc. I just want to say happy birthday.
Hi, Paolo.
Nasa
Thank you,
akin,
Steph.
Proud na proud ako sa mga achievements na narating mo. And alam ko marami pa yan in the future. So yun lang po. More birthdays to come. And take care always.
Thank you, Paolo.
Happy birthday, Doc.
Ay,
Thank
ganda
you for
naman ni
putting your
Jewel.
smile on our faces every day. I know that we're always here to support you. I love you and I miss you.
Love you, Jewel.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. Thank you for making us smile on our faces every stream.
Huy, dalawa yung faces ni Gladys. Thank you for putting my smile on my faces. Sabi, ay, umutot mo ako. Gladys, pinapautot mo ako.
At sana marami ka pang blessings na darating dahil deserve mo yun. Happy birthday again. God bless you and take care always.
Ate Boy.
Hey,
Hi, Doc Z.
Hi,
Happy birthday. Sana masayang special day mo. And sana marami pang birthdays ang dumating sa'yo para patuloy mong i-celebrate yun kasama ang iyong mga loved ones. Pati natin yung mga supporters mo. Yun lang po. We love you and happy birthday again.
Thank you, Z.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day and dito lang kami support you all the way. Love you.
Thank you, Lat.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday po. Happy sa akin. And birthday sa po. And dahil lang po, happy birthday po ulit.
Thank you, Linux.
Hi, Doxy. It's Bob Lee. Just want to share some pictures of my adventure since we both share a love for Japan. Wish you a happy day. Get to celebrate with your family and friends and, of course, your community of supporters and followers. Congratulations on 90 followers. You're on your way to great success, great milestone of 1 million. Get to celebrate with your family. Continue to be yourself, keep on smiling, and it's one of the many reasons to be part of your community because you bring so much joy and happiness to everyone. Keep smiling and be yourself. Have a good time, and I'll see you soon in the Philippines.
Thanks,
Enjoy.
Bob.
Thank you, everyone.
Hi, Doc! Happiest birthday
ito
po
na.
sa'yo.
Dami sasabihin.
Totoo lang, ang hirap nang mag-isip ng gift tsaka ng wishes to a person who seems to already have everything in life.
Hoy,
Kaya
hindi
medyo
naman.
napagalitan bago nakapag-video green. Pero yun, regardless, siguro I just have few wishes and reminders for you. First, of
Remind,
course,
titang-tita.
is I hope na mas maging prosperous pa yung mga career paths na tinatahak mo ngayon and whatever those other paths that you want to explore. Second is, sa health na lang siguro.
Guys,
Kasi
hanggang
mga
35 yan.
sakitin ka ng mga nakaraan. So, reminder lang na I know we need to grind for things we want, for things we would like to achieve, and for the things we're dreaming for. Pero wag mo din kakalimutan magpahinga. Kasi sabi niya,
Oo nga
health
po.
is wealth.
Copy,
Third
tita.
is tuloy-tuloy na harmonious relationship with your loved ones, with your friends, and people around you. Kasi alam naman natin na you will reach a certain point in your life na parang ang tanging source of peace of mind mo na lang talaga is if okay ka sa mga taong importante sa'yo at taong mahal mo. And last but not the least is I hope no matter how busy your schedule gets is mag-remain pa rin na achievable ang faith mo sa Lord. I would also take this opportunity to thank you, Doc, for teaching me a lot of things. Your influence indeed had taught me a lot of things in life. Alam ko hindi mo yan alam, pero I just want to let you know. And through you, I get to also meet a lot
Ang
of
ano niya,
people
fluent.
na maasim man, may putok man, pero sobrang amazing nila. Like, I get to really gain a lot of friends because sa inyong dalawa ni Cody. Ay, Doc, wait lang, may tumatawag. Kasi kinukulit ako na yun, eh. Gusto niya talagang mag-greet din sa'yo. Wait lang, sagutin ko.
Hello there, birthday girl, Doc Z Gaming. Gulat ka, no? Huwag kang magulat, Doc. Ako lang ito, si Taylor Swift. Seksya ka na, namaos na ako sa iyong work na ganito ko. Anyways, I heard that it's your birthday today. So,
Taylor
I
Swift
find
ang
the time to
putik.
make this video just to greet you a happy, happy birthday. I'm happy to see you grow in the field you're taking, and I'm excited to see more. Cheers to
Di
more
follow kayo.
opportunities and projects.
Dinaro nyo rin yung
Nga,
greetings nyo.
I-message kita pagpunta ako ng Philippines dahil gusto kong magpabunod ng buhay ko. Sana ay wag mo akong isinlan. And sana magka-call up ko kayo ni Cody kasi balita ko, singerist ka daw. And you know every lyrics to my songs very well. Hope to see you soon and God bless you more. Mahal ko kayo.
Ay, puti.
So, ayun nga, Doc. Nahiya na naman si Gay at yun na naman lang ang kinaya niya. Pero yun nga, happiest birthday ulit sa'yo.
Mamaya
Isa
na.
lang masasabi namin, sabi mo nga, lagi kami may babalikan sa'yo. Yun lang din yung masasabi namin sa'yo. Ni Gay, always yan. No matter what happens,
Yan na yung
kahit
bati mo,
kahit
Gay.
usman or whatever, you can always depend na meron kang babalikan sa aming dalawa. Yun lang, happiest birthday.
Thank you, Abby.
More blessings to come.
Ay, si Tita ba? Oh.
Doxy, dito pa here. Happy birthday.
Kala ko selos yung background music ni Tita pa.
All
the success in life. Wish you good health and happiness. Sana ngayong birthday mo, kami naman ang magpasaya sa'yo. Lagi mo sinasabi na let me put smile on your faces. Lagi mo naman ginagawa yun. Napapasaya mo kami, lalong-lalo na si Tita Paa. I love you.
Love you, tita.
Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi, Doc! Happy birthday po! Thank you for
Maasim.
always putting a smile on our faces po.
Thank you po kasi isa kang malaking blessing po sa buhay namin. At andito lang po kami para supportahan kayo off-stream and on-stream. Sabi niyo nga po, forever na to.
Thank you po and God bless
Pares
po.
pa sila
See you
nag-am.
very soon po and
We love you po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Doc.
Si Marian.
Sabihin na, andito lang palagi ang Teams Out for you and me. And sana marami kang i-celebrate na birthday. Mga 200.
Uy, wag naman. Paano ito?
Ayun lang, and more blessings. Super
Marian naman, wag naman 200.
walang katapusan. Pati yung sa akin sa'yo. Charot. Happy birthday po and God bless. You're my idol. Hi, Doc. Happy birthday.
Si Lobel.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Doc. Dalawa lang palagi ang wish ko para sa'yo. Na ikaw ay maging healthy and happy palagi. Tulad nung kung paano mo ka napapasaya araw-araw. I wish you have more birthdays to come, more blessings and more projects to come then, and manifesting 1 million followers sa Facebook tayo this year.
Thank you,
Dito lang
Lobel.
kami palagi para sa'yo. Lagi lang kami nakasupport sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Lahat ng ginagawa mo at lahat ng gagawin mo in the future. So, proud kami palagi sa'yo, Doc. And just keep it up. We love you. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day, Doc. God bless you. See you soon. Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, po.
Hi, Doc.
Ay, Chi.
Happy.
Thank you, Trish. Thank you, Lobel.
Joke lang po.
Ang ganda ng sunset.
Well, it doesn't matter naman kasi low numbers lang yun, di ba? Who cares? Seriously. Just wanna say happy birthday and I'm wishing you
Thank you,
health
Aichi.
lang. Stay happy and then even though hindi na ako nakakadaan these days, know that I'm always here to support you and love you and I miss you and try ko po ulit dumaan. Sana talaga makadaan. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Thank you, Aichi.
Enjoy the sunset.
Ganda.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday po. Sana happy ka today. And sana mapasaya ka namin sa paraan na kaya namin. Gaya ng palagi mong pagpapasaya sa
Ganda
amin.
naman ni King.
Saka lagi mong tatandaan, Doc, na okay lang madagdagan yung age natin. Kasi mas matanda pa rin naman po si Tita Shin kaysa sa atin. Always remember din na your Katit family is always here for you no matter what. Isusupport ka po namin sa lahat ng bagay. And kasama po kami na mag-manifest na magkaroon ka pa ng maraming blessings. And I hope to know. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday
And then Elisa.
Hi, Doc.
Puti ka lang.
Birthday po. Ang wish ko na lang po siguro para sa inyo.
Parang napilitan si Auntie
po sana
Janina.
kayong healthy at maraming collabs at deals pa po ang dumating para sa inyo. At maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay ng ngiti lagi sa aming mga labi. Palagi nyo lang po sana tatandaan na mawala man po ang ubo ni Tita Shin, pero ang pagsuporta po namin mga katip ay palagi lang po nandyan. Lahat po ng magagandang nangyayari sa inyo, Doc, at lahat ng mga bagay na dumadating, deserve na deserve. Again, happy birthday po. Sana po na-enjoy nyo ang araw na to. Love you, Doc.
Thank you, Auntie Janina. Parang hindi ko birthday.
Happy birthday, Doc. We always thankful kasi
pwede ka magpapasaya sa stream, kahit sa off-stream, pwede ka nag-update sa IG, sa mga posts sa TikTok, ano na, sino pa ba? Sino pa ba? Sino pa ba yung hanapin mo? Yun naman, sino? So, alam mo naman kung amis kami nakasupport sa'yo. And super duper proud kami sa'yo. Alam mo yan, sa mga lahat ng achievements mo. No, kaya. So, please love you. And
Ay, naka-live ako.
to be. Thank you.
Thank you, Ate Mary.
Hi, Doc.
Uy, si Ninang Rosyo.
So, I just want to greet you a happy and blessed birthday. Another year, another fruitful year for you. Kahit paano naging saksi ako sa kung gaano ka nag-grow, not just in your career, pero sa lahat ng bagay na pinagdaanan mo. And I just want to say I am blessed to know you, and hindi mo man alam, marami sa amin nakatid ang blessed na meron ka, kasi kayo naging source of happiness namin, source of laughters, ng smiles namin sa araw-araw. And thank you for that, Doc. So, continue to be you. We love you, and andito lang kami para sa'yo. Andito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. So, again, I just want to greet you a happy and blessed birthday. Nakik soon, Doc.
Thank you, Ninang Rosh.
Happy birthday, Doc! Happy birthday, Doxy! Wish you all the best for these
Si Clark, Kuya
Ulit sana
Jeremy.
matupad lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo for these years din. And yun lang. Happy birthday, Terence! Wish you all the best at shootness.
Happy
Uy, si Jepo yun.
birthday, Doc.
Ma, nakikita ka ah.
Sa lahat ng bigay ng happiness sa amin. Paglagi ka nag-i-stream. At thank you din sa pagpili sa akin. Maging mat mo, narrator. God bless. Happy birthday ulit. At sana makita mo na ako para may makikita kang kakaibang creature.
Creature.
Hi, Doc. Kilala mo pa ba ako? I just
Hi,
want to greet
Mars.
you. Happy birthday, and I just want to congratulate you sa lahat ng achievements and perks na nare-receive mo ngayon. And alam ko, pinag-pray mo talaga yan dati pa. And happy ako and proud ako na na-achieve mo na sila isa-isa. And alam ko, magiging masyado ako sa work. Isa lang ang masasabi ko, pag may free time ako talagang minimake sure ko na nakakadaan and nakakapag-share pa rin ako ng stream, and nagagampanan ko pa rin kahit pa paano yung pagiging kahit sobrang
Love you,
busy ko sa work.
Mars.
Ayan, ngayon nga po, kauuwi ko lang. And nag-record na ako agad. Ayan. Doc, just always know na I'm always here through thick and thin, alam mo yan. And please, mag-iingat din palagi, and yung sa health mo, alam ko busy ka na, and sana alagaan din health. And i-congratulate na rin kita agad kasi road to 100, no, not 100, 1 million followers ka na ngayon. And happy ako dahil since 40,000 followers, nandyan na ako, nakaantabay na, naka-subscribe, naka-support na ako sa'yo. And ayun, sobrang malaking achievement yun. And happy ako for you. Ayan.
Thank you, Mars.
Happy birthday ulit, and sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. And see you pag kauwi ko. This year, makauwi ako.
Let's go! See you!
See you!
Love you, Mars.
Artista. Sir, kala ko na yun. So, pero makinig pa rin pala. Anyways, pero nakaganto ako kasi may work pala ako. Makakers ka eh. Naganda ko pag nakaganto ako.
Puro disclaimer. O, teka na, ang dami mong sinasabi mo bago ako i-greet.
It's been a long time since I made your video. But, we're making video pala every birthday or every anniversary pala. So, I really miss watching your videos or every stream that you have kasi ngayon hindi na lagi-lagi, right? But I have the chance naman, manonood ako or mag-comment ako randomly. Katulad natin kay it's your main eh. So, busy just like you, pero mas busy ka pa din. But, hindi mo naman sinabi na pag ganito pala, pag mag-18 years old na, so may responsibilities, hirap-hirap pag-college. Pero, I think, what I will learn about you and adopted to is that you will achieve the thing that you were working for if you work hard for it. And that's the thing that I adopted from you when I started to work. So, people
Hindi
might say
share na, ha?
you're just a normal streamer for me. That makes me laugh whenever I watch your streams, but little did they know that you became my big sister. Well, or tita, who I always feel the presence in everything, no matter how busy she is. So, guys, I consider her as my ate. Like, tingin na ngayon nila, ako, 32. Happy birthday, Ate Z. Back then, I wish you happiness in life. But now, I wish you good health. Very, very, very good health. Because you're so hardworking. To the point na
Hindi siya na ka na, Dar. Iba ka na.
to take a rest or take a break from everything. I'm so
Natatawa.
happy that a lot of people see your hard work. Saw your hard work. Ikaw na bahala. And appreciate what
Doon naka-live ako.
you're doing. So don't worry, iwan ka man ng lahat ng tao for the sake of themselves, not understanding you. I will always be by your side. Always support you, especially as ni Ame. Kahit pinagmamadali niya ako mag-video, hindi na alam, sakit-sakit. Amen. So, we are always supporting you ni Ame because we know who you are and we know how much you're willing to do anything for a person. So, thank you for becoming one of my inspirations to continue. And at the end of the day, everything that we do is working for and fighting for. Rar! Rar! Ganda ko. Hindi ko mapigilan tumingin sa sarili ko ngayon. Ay, hindi. Meron pa akong wish sa'yo at sa Ate Buti. Sinabi ko na sa kanya to. Yun ay, Kappa Boy, ayoko na, pagod na ako. Ang ingay ng prop ko. Kaya, pagod na ako. Pag-iyaw po storage. But, ayun nga, you know naman I'm not very
Sabi ni Ame, te, haba ng video greet mo.
Or mostly TikToks. Wala naman TikToks ko, tsaka si Ate Buti. Ang maasim-maasim. Kung TikTok. I'm happy that a lot of people watching you because you make them smile. Kung nakita niyo nakatingin ako guys sa kayo, nakinig ko kung baka tawagin ako. I'm so happy that a lot of people watching you because you make them smile na parang dati. You're doubting yourself, but look at you now. No.
Puti ka
So,
na.
I want you to know that you're always doing a great job every day, and I am very, very
Grabe
proud
ka, Yuli.
of you. Kahit busy man ako or di man ako makanood araw-araw ng stream mo, Ate G, I still wanna go back sa day na sinood ako tapos lagi mag-simula hanggang end ng
It's okay.
I miss being a child. But I'm very, very big now. Maganda natin si, kapag I have a lot of time na
make sure na babawi ako sa'yo. Na manood ng stream ng mga at i-mute siya mga asim na malagpapong. Anyway, pretty.
Pretty.
Yun lang, I am very, very happy talaga sa totoo. Yun ang nararamdaman ko ngayon.
Siguro nung in-edit to ni Ame.
Hi. Toxic. So, grabe na yun. Tira, utot sila. Pero,
Utot mo, Dar.
very humble since day one. That's why I love you. I still support you, and no matter what happened, I will always be there for you. I will always be the darling that you know. Kahit ngayon ay mas maganda na siya, for this day na siya, and for the work na huwag ka mag-alala, Ate G. Lahat ng effort mo, lahat ng heart
Nakadalawa ng kanta nila, Tim. Hindi ba rin siya
will pay off at the end of the day. Ano yan? No to worry, Bjorn. Sino ka dyan? No to worry. Ano yun? No to worry na yan.
Dar, pinatawa. Pinapatawa mo ako.
Nagtapot ako nag-top 1 ka sa TikTok. I'm very, very proud of you. Paulit-ulit na ako pero sobrang saya ko talaga. Totoo lang. Every time na may mga friends ako or ka-work ko na nanonood ako sa'yo, nakaka-proud kasi hi, iyak na ako. Ayoko na umiyak pero sobrang proud ako sa'yo. And yun lang talaga. Happy birthday.
Love you,
I
Dar.
hope you're having a blast. And I hope you're happy right now sa surprise. Sorry kung hindi siya ganun ka... sorry kung hindi ganun ka... iba yung surprise natin ngayon. But I hope you will appreciate everything.
Oo naman.
And happy birthday, Ate C. I love you so much. And I miss you so much.
Love you, darling.
Tinitigan ko. Pag-ibig ko. Anyway. Happy birthday, Ate Z. I love you. Goodbye. Ito namin nag-video na ako. Baka magkamit ka pa. Bye-bye.
Happy 29th birthday, Doxy. Sorry kung dito ako nag-record. Wala kasi akong phone. So, sa
Bakit
PC
wala
lang
kang
ako.
phone?
Kung napapansin mo, iba yung hair ko. Makalbo kasi ako last time. So,
No, bakit?
ayun po. Happiest birthday, Ma. It's been like 3 years or 4 years na tayo to celebrate ng birthday mo, and we have this kind of tradition. And I'm so glad na every year I was able to edit all those video greetings.
Thank you, Bebe Ame.
A lot of different faces, a lot of different messages, pero all of them are all appreciation para sa lahat po ng ginagawa nyo, sa stream, sa pagpapasaya ng mga tao. I'm so blessed and thankful sa kanila kasi they always make sure that you will feel valued and also appreciated. I've seen you grow up from the beginning na super iyakin ka pa. And now, very kita ka na. Joke lang. So, ayun, super admiring you even though hindi halata dahil inaasar ka namin lagi ni Dar.
Uy, Bob,
We
thank you for the
truly admire
corgi.
you for your dedication and your sipag sa paggawa ng contents and also making other people laugh. Ano pa ba? May sabihin mo na naman kasi cold ako eh, pero hindi ko.
Cold ka.
So, ayun Ma. Tigil na natin to. Last year na to. Joke lang. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and also you enjoy your day today. Okay. Bye, Ma.
Love you, Bebe Ame.
Hi, Floki! Happy birthday sa'yo! Go! It's far away from here.
Ganda mo naman.
Patiin ka. Bye! Happy birthday, Floki.
Sa totoo, nakailang take na ako dito kasi sa totoo lang, hindi talaga ako sanay magbigay ng
Sa
message.
true. Dun.
Alam mo naman yan, hirap na hirap talaga akong i-express yung sarili ko through words. Pero pipilitin ko ang aking makakaya. Pero ayun, happy birthday. I wish, I hope, I pray, and I always manifest na sana this year, ma-achieve mo lahat ng mga dream brands mo. Sana maka-work mo sila. Lahat ng dream destination mo, mapuntahan mo. Hindi lang this year, but wala namang expiration date yun.
Tama.
And lastly, happiness mo. Yun naman ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Diba? Ang kasiyahan mo. Pero, nandito lang kami palagi to support you. Alam na alam mo naman yan, pero talagang ako ay nasa likod mo lang palagi, nakasuporta, at talagang promise na isusupport kita all the way from here in Bulacan. Pero ayun, Chloe, you know the rest, I already message you for sure, and gusto lang kitang batiin dito for the cloud. Happy birthday, Flo!
For the club.
Mwah!
Love you, Floki.
Happy birthday, Toxie!
Ay.
Thank you, ate, sa pag-share mo lagi ng blessing sa amin. Sobrang ma-appreciate namin.
Nagtithank you kami kay Lord dahil ikaw ang naging kapatid namin. Naging ads namin na sumusupport sa amin.
Happy birthday, ate!
Happy birthday, Ate Ren. Sana mas maging masaya ko pa sa buhay. And sana marating mo lahat ng mga gusto mong marating. Dito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. Para supportahan ka. Mahalin ka. Yun lang. I love you.
Happy birthday, Toxie! We love you! We love you!
Hi, Zay. Kumusta ka? Happy birthday. I wish na sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo and for success. Kailan mo kami bibigyan ni Mami ng boyfriend. Yun lang, Zay. Sana ingat ka lagi at sana may
Kailan to?
success ka and more blessings. Happy birthday.
Happy 29th birthday, si I won't deny your age. Kasi masaya ako sa age at 29, almost na-achieve mo na yung dreams mo.
Di pa?
Alam ko napakahirap ng ginagawa mo. Kasi talagang, imagine mo, nag-work ka sa umaga, 10:30 for up to 4 p.m. Tapos mag-stream ka ng 5 up to 10, minsan up to 12. So, deserve mo talaga yung blessings na imagine mo, kahit pagod ka sa clinic, tapos mag-stream ka, full of energy pa rin, matatawarin mo yung mga viewers mo, maglalaro ka, magkwento ka, ang hirap nun. Kasi kumbaga, 6 hours, mag-stream ka, mawit yung bibig ko, daldal, dapat ipakita mo talaga na yung energy mo, dapat mataas. So, kumbaga, hindi ko kaya yung ginagawa ko. So talagang very proud kami sa'yo dahil yung mga blessings na tatanggap mo, talagang dahil sa kasipagan mo.
You deserve it.
Deserve mo talaga yan.
May English dad.
Tsaka talagang sobrang sikat ka na, anak. Umattend ako ng seminar. Ang sabi sa akin nung isang sa registration, sabi niya, how are you related to Doxie? Sabi niya sa akin gano'n. Sabi ko, she's my daughter. So, kumbaga, ikaw ang kilala kaysa sa akin. So,
gusto niya pala.
dahil ayun nga, nandun ka na, malapit mo na maabot kung ano man pa yung gusto mo abutin. At talagang
Gusto ni Mami siya yung masikat.
kailangan mo naman magpahinga yung birthday mo. Kaya chill lang na. At sana magkaroon ka pa ng marami pang birthday at good health, syempre. At isa na lang yung pinag-pray ko talaga ng lubusan na
nabigay na ni Lord yung partner mo para naman mas todong saya.
Bonus.
So, yan, happy birthday talaga at sana
Low-key pressure.
birthdays pa.
Hashtag low-key pressure.
Love you.
Love you. We love you.
Bye.
Ah.